Hey there! So, let's talk about a little problem that came up regarding auto-generated Rust code. I was examining the output from a simple Rust struct using #derive, debug, and noticed something interesting. In the implementation of debug for a struct like .x, I32, y, I32, I observed a peculiar pattern where an extra and is added to the last field when printing out its value. This seemed to happen consistently, regardless of the field type. So, why the unexpected extra and there? Now let's delve into the solution for this quirk in the Rust code generation. According to the Rust source code, the rationale behind the extra and lies in the handling of unsized types. Apparently, unsized types require an additional indirection, but this is only needed for the last field as it might be unsized. Hence, in the auto-generated debug implementation, we see that extra and being added to accommodate this requirement. In summary, we uncovered an interesting nuance in the Rust auto-derivation process for debug implementations where an extra and is added to the last field, possibly due to handling unsized types. Understanding these subtle details can provide insights into the inner workings of Rust code generation mechanisms. Well, that's all for now. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next one.